all, excuse my appearance. I'm going to apply the wig tomorrow. But yeah, it's late and I just don't feel like doing it right now. So this is gonna be probably 2 separate videos. But some of the footage got cut. I don't know how, I don't know what happened. But I just wanted to go over the steps that I did before the video started. I put on a shower cap, 2 shower caps, in order to like not mess up my wig head, because it's kind of expensive and I don't want to, you know, want to take care of your stuff. So I put on 2 wig heads. I didn't wash the hair. Bleach, I believe, is meant to be put on dry. So I put 2 shower caps on. I flipped the wig inside out, as you could see, or as you're about to see. Flip the wig inside out, put it on there, and I pinned it down with these little pins. They are like from my sewing kit. So I don't have T-pins. I don't feel the need to have T-pins because these are yellow, like on the tips. You can see them really easily in your hair. So I have no problem using them. So that I pinned them in there, and I made sure that my once I applied the bleach, I tried to not make it as thick as possible, obviously, and then not to let it go through the lace. So that's pretty much all that I did, and then yeah, the rest of it is recorded, so you'll be able to see that. All right, so stay tuned if you would like to see the style. Like I said, the footage got deleted. So here I'm trying to show you the bleach. I think I was finding it, so I was stuck for a second. There it is. I got this off of Amazon. Everything will be in the description that I've been using. Here I'm adding the developer. I just added this slowly, probably a teaspoon at a time, until it reached the desired consistency, which is very thick, so that way it doesn't leak through your lace and bleach your hair. I took out a section in the front. It's smaller than bangs because I just wanted the highlights in the front. Just 2 highlights. I knew I was going to do a middle part with this. So as you can see, I'm just putting some of that bleach on. I should have on gloves. If you all have gloves, put them on, please. I had to scrub my fingers because they were stinging a little bit after this. I left this on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and yeah, that reached the desired color. If you would like a brighter, like platinum blonde, then you would leave on the bleach a bit longer, but I would suggest you to check it periodically, probably every 5 minutes. Here I'm just sectioning off the front edges of the frontal. They aren't edges yet. And getting behind there so that way it could be a gradient effect and look like a more natural hairline. This part is a bit tedious, but it makes all the difference in your wigs. And just repeat the process on the opposite side. I was showing you the difference. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but in person you could really tell. This is sped up because it's the exact same process that I did on the other side. Here, I'm just combing out all the excess. After you pluck, you're literally plucking hair out. So of course you'll get some shedding after this. I was just pulling out all the extra strands from the bottom and making sure that it was all set to go for me to flat iron. Here's the heat protectant that I was using. I was just applying it to my hands and then putting, like rubbing it thoroughly, and then I just rubbed it through the hair. I didn't put it section by section because I don't like the greasy look. Here is where I realized that my flat iron was on 5 out of like 30. Yeah, so I felt really dumb. I was trying to figure out why it was bumping at the end, but it wasn't doing what I needed it to do. So I ended up turning it up, and then I had to kind of go back over the parts. This hair is so soft though. So it kind of was still working on 5, but it was just taking a lot longer than I would like it to. I didn't press it exactly straight because when I apply it tomorrow, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be doing a different style. But right here, I'm putting on the bedhead wax stick. I think I got this from Sally's or the beauty supply or something. Or maybe my friend. I think I got it from my friend. Regardless, it'll be in the description box. I put it in the front, and you'll see me comb it back because I kind of like the slick back look with a little bit of baby hair. You'll see that at the end. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward, or this part is really easy. The wax stick makes it a lot easier, and it just helps the flyaways. Please excuse my face. My concentration face is probably bottom of the barrel trash. I'm looking for my my frizz thing that I use at the top. You'll see me pull it out. This stuff, it doesn't leave a film. It doesn't leave any sort of smell or anything like that. And it's literally like a mascara's tube. I have no idea where this came from, but I'll show you the brand in this, and I'll try to put that in the description box, but I have no idea where I got it from.
Here I'm just making some final touches. It still looks a little frizzy a bit, but like I said, I'll most likely be changing the style tomorrow, so I wasn't really too bothered by it. But the bounce was so cute, and overall I loved it.